Have you been looking for an affordable home that gives you room to breathe, a yard to enjoy, and a location that's close to everything? Well, today we're at 433 West Wye Mesa, right here in Brookings, South Dakota. And I think you're gonna love what this one has to offer. So let's go take a look. One of the first things you'll notice about this home is its location. Nestled in the welcoming, pet-friendly Western Estates Mobile Home Park, you'll enjoy a peaceful neighborhood while still being just minutes from many of Brookings' favorite destinations. If you enjoy spending time outdoors, you're going to appreciate being close to the beautiful Dakota Nature Park. Whether it's an evening walk, an early morning bike ride, fishing, kayaking, bird watching, or simply enjoying the scenery, it's one of Brookings' hidden gems and just a short trip from your front door. Need to grab your morning coffee? Starbucks is only minutes away. Filling up your vehicle or grabbing a quick snack is easy with Quick Start just down the road. And for those who commute to work, traveling frequently, or head to Sioux Falls, quick access to Interstate 29 makes getting you where you need to go simple and convenient. Back at the home, you'll find one of the biggest highlights waiting outside. The fully fenced backyard offers plenty of room for kids, pets, backyard games, or simply relaxing after a long day. The new back deck is the perfect spot for grilling, entertaining friends, or enjoying a quiet evening while taking in what the current owners say they're going to miss the most, the incredible views. It's one of those little things that make coming home every day feel just a little more special. You'll also appreciate the nicely landscaped yard and the large 16 by 12 storage shed complete with electricity. Whether you need extra storage, a workshop, hobby space, or a place for your outdoor equipment and toys, this building gives you plenty of flexibility. Step inside and you'll immediately notice how inviting this home feels. With over 1,300 finished square feet, the open layout creates a comfortable flow between the living room, dining room, and kitchen, making it easy to stay connected whether you're entertaining guests or simply enjoying everyday life. The kitchen is truly one of the stars of this home. With abundant cabinetry, generous countertop space, and room to prepare meals without feeling crowded, it's easy to imagine family dinners, holiday baking, or gathering around with your friends. The home also features 3 comfortable bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, providing flexibility for families, guests, or even a home office. And to make moving even easier, all the appliances stay with the home, including a brand new refrigerator that's never been used. To make this opportunity even more attractive, the seller is also offering a buyer credit that can be used towards closing costs, lot rent, or even a price adjustment, giving you the flexibility to choose what benefits you the most. If you've been searching for an affordable, move-in ready home with a fantastic yard, a beautiful view, and a location that's close to parks, shopping, restaurants, and quick access to Interstate 29, I think 433 West Wye Mesa deserves a spot on your must-see list. We're the Home Team 605. Thank you for watching, and be sure to follow us on all of our other social media platforms. Bye now.